This video is going to show you guys what I did to convert a small 8 by 10 foot space into what you see here in front of you. This is pretty much hopefully to give you some ideas of what you can do with any small space you have. Here you can plant herbs, vegetables, or in my case here some strawberries. This whole area has 35 strawberry plants, 2 blueberry bushes, a raspberry, and a kumquat tree, and I'll show all that here in a second. Just an easy way to do that, to accomplish getting that much in this little area and still have this little lounge area, seating area, is these 3-tiered strawberry planters that I made. Very easy to make. At the end of the video I'll show you a quick how-to, what it takes to make these, and anyone can do. Just something as simple as tree stakes, some planters, and just that drip irrigation if you wish. So this space here is a 1 foot by 4 feet, and I was able to get 25 strawberry plants just in this one little small area. So another thing you could do is use this as a fence, which is what I was going to do in the first place, was go around the whole perimeter of this and basically make a living fence out of these strawberry planters, but decided to go a different route just because I had these other planters laying around. So these planters here are made by Vita. They're actually a 4x4. Sorry about the little chicks back here. They wanted to be part of the show. But anyway, these are 4x4 planters made by Vita. They're called a keyhole garden, and were actually a bit modified. So all you have to do, or what I did, was cut them down to about 16 inches by the 4 feet. So cut down 2 panels and made them what they are here, just so I could get this border around my little area. So here you can see more strawberries, the raspberries, the kumquat tree. Just found a planter that matched everything else, and put a small kumquat tree on that. There's one of the blueberries bushes, but as you can see, it's brand new, just got it in, and it wasn't a good time to do it. And here's the other one that was here for a while. So this portion is the keyhole portion, the keyhole composting garden part. So here you can compost tree clippings, any food scraps, and that helps feed the plants that are in this little planter. So pretty smart idea by this company. I really like it, enjoy it, because it saves you on having to fertilize, and it's just using the compost that you make and feeds the plants directly. So you can see. So this works for any small areas. Can be done by anybody. These planters here took about 10 minutes to make, and it only cost me about $20. So just a quick how-to on these. Just got a tree stake from Lowe's or Home Depot. They go anywhere from $3 to $5. Got some of these planters here. I believe I bought them at Target. You can find at Walmart, Target, Amazon. And then just some small scraps of wood. So all you do is you cut down the tree stake. In my case, I cut it down about 5 feet, and then staked it down to the dirt. And then just start from the bottom. Once it's staked, put the 2 scraps of wood, just drill them into the tree stake, and then put your planters on top. One thing I forgot to mention is the planter. Just make sure, obviously, to drill some holes underneath, so you can get some drainage, and then just keep going up. So drill the little scraps of wood, and then put your planter right on top. And then finishing touch would be just if you wanted to add the drip irrigation, just run the tubing right through the center, and just run small drippers all throughout. All right, one idea also was to use these little solar lights. These you can purchase anywhere, pretty cheap. And I actually thought of this a little bit too late, so I would recommend actually leaving the post a little bit higher, just so you can put this on top. Here it's kind of get covered by the plants, but if I would have left another 6 inches or a foot, you could have had a pretty decent size on that. Hey guys. All right, so as you can see, small little space, but was able to get a whole lot of strawberry plants in there, a whole lot of other plants, the blueberries, the raspberry, and the kumquat, and then still have my seating area here in the center. So again, guys, appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see hopefully more ideas, hit that subscribe and the notification. Here's just an idea of what it looks like at night. And as you can see, you could add the other lights on top of these planters. You can see one of them has it.